Well, he talk me. But Jaden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, people are saying that Vybz Kartel shouldn't have responded to Alkaline. One line will make him sing that much better. As a matter of fact, people are listening to the song just for that one line there. But what you mean? It was the teacher need a response. First and foremost, he make a song title in half like, and I make it look like it geared towards the ladies, but secretly it geared towards the teacher. What am I do? Why for the mindset there? Then there's a line at the 26th second of the song where it sound like him saying eat up the nana. Yo, Alka, I say I try to reveal something about yourself, and I don't know. It's a grand reveal your plan where you do it face by face. But dancehall we are forward with it. And dancehall now work with you. Now the response goes like this, viewers and subscribers. The teacher said, "Dear Lord, thank you for allowing me the opportunity to be in America, counting buildings and billboards instead of climbing the billboard charts and selling gold records, while Kartel lock up and now get the nana." Kartel said in the photo caption, "Lord, I don't have a child because my count is low, and I didn't start knowing women biblically, or in the biblical sense, till after graduation. What must I do? I now realize that the brata thing, the thing where Jamaica say, oi, artists, that they say, we will not let you in." Him say realize that is not a way to bring an offspring viewers and subscribers. Now, for those who are wondering why the teacher say, yo, being American, counting way, because Alkaline, speculations are saying, and due to the fact that it overstayed the time and it over there, and the people do the investigation, them own people that talk about that. No, they might try to say, yeah, you have citizenship, no one like, them not try to brag about that. Them try to brag about everything, things they ever accolade. So, he reside in Miami, according to sources close to Fame Circle and fan base. Now, fans were quick to point out certain things about the statement, viewers and subscribers. But all me I say is that, first and foremost, he make a response. He make the response. And the teacher choose to respond to it. Some people that say, yo, more likely, you know what I mean, it never warrant a response. Some people even say we shouldn't even talk about the matter. Well, see that the artist himself mention the matter. Because remember, an artist make a song for the ladies, and at the same time, him strategically put a line where I refer to you. You know, the first verse. No, that sound like the song was actually trying to be a kind of diss track, but it never keep in tune with the whole vibe. Probably couldn't find no more rhymes or nothing more catchy or creative to add to the song, so him just do it that way there. Maybe I even a friend suggest the line to him, because I don't know, them ever see how Alkaline have a person writing songs, and sometimes you have to wonder, the fact that even the flow and the sound of the track here, the auto-tune on the voice, it's kind of reminiscent of a older type of Alkaline. I wonder if it's even an old track this, and him add something back to it. Probably that is why we don't really hear much songs from Alkaline, and maybe because the songwriter and him, as the people always say, them have a misunderstanding, and the G don't write no more songs for him right now. So I guess that's why I have to put out the song them once every 3 months or once every 4. Or the same thing with Mov. If you notice, Mov now write him own music, so him kind of have to put out songs at a slower pace, because you know what I mean, as somebody I write it and I send it to him. If you notice, even Jamil look like him write more songs. I'm writing his own songs somewhat, because he can put out songs in an even faster fashion than them. So it's almost like, yeah, him actually write female music, but for Mov and Alka, yeah, it's clear now, them not write them own music. Them not write them own music, or somebody write songs for them. That flow yeah, old. Response to viewers and subscribers, I would say the teacher always responds in fine style. He not forgot all time way. He said this or said that or cool, calm and collective. To point out say, oh, some artists they are foreign account buildings. Them not climb the billboard charts. Them not climb no charts. Them songs not do the works. As a matter of fact, seek that reaction, and chronicler they point it out, to seek that relevance. Them normally have to make mention to another artist, especially one who them claims that them narrate. Them always go out of them way viewers and subscribers, so mention the teacher. No doubt, Alkaline is definitely one of Kartel's biggest fans as an artist. As another artist who do music too, and we're in the dancehall industry, Alkaline one of Vybz Kartel biggest fans. Man, I go around. And we can see it. The fact that they refuse to pay homage, and then him go say what him say with the whole brata. We will never consider him one of the teacher's sons. No, sir. We will never consider him one of the teacher's sons. But the style of him living in, Vybz Kartel is the father of that style. But you know what I mean? Yeah, Alka. No, we're not gonna put Alka on the family tree. We're not gonna put Alka on the family tree. We're not do it. We're not gonna do it, viewers and subscribers. We will say though, him a one we always a try be like. You know what I mean? Yeah, him is one of them people who always a try to be like the teacher. But the response, me that say it warranted. The dance all this. You don't have to make a complete song for some people. Remember when I tell when the teacher is respond the intro. When him and Deva Brat have an altercation musically, the teacher respond to Deva Brat in an intro. You never beat but I give him a whole track. Just give him an intro. Teacher did not give them a track. You give them a post. And they would never make the post stay. You take it off. Yeah? We did never make the post stay. But one thing we can say for sure though, that reference, that line, the fact say imply when I imply, yeah, it definitely make the whole song. It definitely make the whole song. And that's why I suspect this song was written for him long time. A long time. The songwriter, it's one of the song names, the songwriter they write for him and give him not a new song. Him run out of creativity. People are wonder how we don't see him show the same level of creativity as before. But we see him use the same flow as before, but not the same level of creativity. Then why could I use but the flow and not the creativity? Creativity is not his. The flow you can always listen to another song and try to recreate the flow. But the creativity, no, you have to naturally create it. They can build a song off another song, yes. And people might catch a vibe from it. But then what go on when you get a rhythm completely different from the other songs that you previously have track span. You now can use that style all the while. You have to actually naturally be creative to create good music. The person that write Alkaline song them, they not write no more song them for you. You can see it. You must try use but the flow, but not the rhyming scheme. Yeah, he must master the flow pattern and can sing like well never sing, him can auto-tune up his voice and do him that do like Ray. But as we say create a verse, a catchy verse that people can see, that him say rural and will vibe. No. The songwriter had those capabilities. Him himself clearly not have it. Clearly no have it. But let me show you say that statement that we make about the teacher talk about gal and gallis. No. Wrong artist. Artists like him can't make no mention about that to the teacher. No point in time. At no point in time. Talk to me in the comment section. Or you feel like though? Do you feel like the teacher never need to respond to it? As in agreement with me and also the teacher, and I say, yo, it warrants a response. I'm gonna make some statements. How you gonna answer it? You know what I mean? I like to say, yo, we're gonna hide from the statements because we are shy. I know we that. No, we that. We address the matter. We address the matter. We are doing it publicly. We not address the matter cross the fence. Run on one part. Cross the free. No, we are doing it publicly so everybody can hear. So we had addressed that matter. Yeah, regardless of what it go on, if it needed to or if it warranted a response, yo, we are talking about it. And we are putting things into perspective for those not in the know. Because for those not in the know, then you get wrong information and run with it. And you know it go. Wrong information can still slightly become facts based on what? Tell it to another person. So you have to address the matter. And the matter was addressed. But to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, viewers and subscribers. You know the like icon there too. Drop a like on the blog for me, like where here the share icon is located close by. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother, no matter where them in the world right now, via the share icon, they can make them see the thing instantaneously. Here, instantly. You know the comment section is always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. So, you know what I mean? That spot we need to circle. You know what I mean? In this day and age too, at the chill spot right now, at the comment section, the vibe there. Talk to me in the comment section. Our move settings fam, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper. Until the reason again.